Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. 1. Open your Facebook app. Make sure that your app is updated. 2. Click on the profile icon, and then on the right side you will see the profile icon again. Tap on it. 3. It will show you your profile and pages. 4. Select additional profile that you want to remove. 5. Now after you switch to that account, tap on the profile icon and tap on Settings and Privacy. 6. Tap on Settings, and then tap on Personal Information. 7. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. 8. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. 9. Select the profile that you want to delete. 10. Click on Deactivate Additional Facebook Profile. 11. Click on Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Thank you for watching our guide.